Aloo Paratha. For Aloo Paratha we need peeled boiled potatoes, mild green chili, cumin seeds, garlic, cilantro, some wheat flour dough, and salt. Make a paste of all these ingredients. Or you can crush coarsely. Take some boiled potatoes and mash it. Add our paste. Add salt, 1 teaspoon, and mix it. Our potato stuffing is ready. Let's make our aloo parathas. Take a lemon-sized bowl, dip it in some flour, and roll it. We want a size like this for our parathas. And take another lemon-sized bowl and make it in the same shape and size like this. We made 2 puri-sized parathas like this, and now take some stuffing and put it on the first parathe and spread it evenly on just one parathe. Take this piece and put it on the other. Press on the edges. Take some flour and sprinkle it, and put our paratha on it, and then add some more flour on top of our paratha. And lightly roll our paratha. Don't roll it too hard. Take a pan and make it hot. Put our paratha on the pan and take help from an adult. Add some ghee and spread it. Put some ghee on the paratha. Flip it. Add some ghee on the other side. paratha is ready. You can enjoy it with mint, chutney, or yogurt.